Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can open the ASUS laptop. So this is my laptop. I will be showing you how you can open that. So this is the ASUS Zenbook. So to disassemble it is a bit complicated. I will be showing you. So on the bottom, the battery is inside. So you need this kind of tool, and these are the small screws, as you can see that these one. So you have to open that one. So just like this, you have to unscrew that. So there are few screws on the top, all the corners. So you have to remove those one. See, in the some of the screw you will find this kind of a rubber. So you have to press that, and then you have to pull that. Then you will find the screw under that, as you can see that. See, like this one also has a rubber here. So you have to press that, and then you have to pull. See, there are total 10 screws. So these are the, as you can, 6 of them screws with the 6 rubber caps, and then you have another 4 of them. So as you can see, there are 4 screws here, and then 2 screws in the middle, and then 4 screws at the bottom. So you have to open all the 10 screws. So one thing I don't like in ASUS is that the battery is inside, so you have to assemble everything. It is not like the any other laptop where the battery is outside and you can pull up at any time. So now this is the cover, you have to lift that. So see this one. So this is done. As you can see that this is my laptop. So this is the bigger one, is the battery, and this is the RAM. So this is my laptop ASUS, and to remove the battery I have to remove these screws, as you can see that. See, I have unscrewed the 8 screws here. So see, you can see on the corner like this, so there are a couple of screws. So you have to unscrew that. So once it is done, so you can lift the battery like this. See, this is your battery, and if you need to change that, so you can replace the battery. So the battery is attached here, you have to unscrew that. To remove the battery connector, you have to remove this part and then pull this connector. See, I have now replaced the battery, and see, the connectors are back on. See, I was showing to you, this has to go up, and then you have to lift this one connector. So after replacing, you have to press this one and then tight and push from the top to the bottom. So after replacing the battery, we have tightened all the screw now, as you can see that. See, these all my screws are fixed now, so you can see all the corners. So these were 8 of them. So all the screws have been fixed. See that? And now it is time to put up the back cover and we can close the laptop. See, I have tightened the screw here, and now you can see that rubber caps are on. So you have, this one doesn't have, so you have to this is my rubber cap, so you have to just insert like this. I will be showing you. See, just like this. So you have to, once it is done, you have to just press like this. So these are just the rubber caps. So this one like this you have to put up.